friends, and thank you for joining us here at Culture Bites by Ethnicuties, where you learn about a new culture one bite at a time. Let's start today with a simple question. Do you know where some of your favorite foods come from? Like this, or these? Maybe they come from here or here. Maybe it was a creation in your own kitchen. But really, they all start here, on a farm. These little grains make up so many of our foods. And there's just not one type of grain either. There are many grains that we eat every day, from oats and wheat to rice and barley. And do you know who grows these grains? That's right, a farmer. A farmer prepares the soil, pushes seeds into the soil, nurtures the little sprouts into grains, and harvests it. It is a lot of hard work, but there would be no food for us to eat if it wasn't for the work of farmers all around the world. Lots of time, hard work, and nurturing goes into farming, and with help from nature, we have a harvest that then makes it to our table as food. Do you know that around the world there are many ways farmers and the harvest from farming is celebrated, like Thanksgiving in North America? Well, there's a very special tradition in India that celebrates food, farmers, farming, and the important nature elements that help farmers. There are several festivals in India that celebrate farming and everything to do with it. In North India, there is Lohri, Makar Sankranti, and Uttarayan. But I'd like to talk more today about a special yearly 4-day festival called Pongal. Pongal is celebrated in southern India, usually in the middle of January. Day 1 is called Bogi Pongal. On this day, people discard old belongings and celebrate new possessions. Traditionally, the old possessions are burned in a bonfire. Although today many families resort to just discarding old unusable products to remove them from their home. The day also celebrates and honors rains and clouds, an important part of farming. We are thankful for the rains we've had and hope for plentiful rains in the year ahead. Day 2 is the main festival day and is called Surya Pongal. This day is dedicated to the sun. The day is celebrated with family and friends by making a special Pongal dish. This dish is prepared in a pot in an open space in view of the sun. To make Pongal, boil milk in a pot, and when it comes to a boil, add rice and jaggery. The rice would traditionally be freshly harvested rice. Day 3 is called Matapangal. Made refers to a cow or cattle, and to farmers, cows are precious, as they are sources of dairy products, fertilizer, and a huge helper on the farm. On Matapangal, cows are decorated, sometimes with flower garlands or painted horns, and they are offered bananas, a special meal for them, and thanked. Some people decorate their cows with turmeric water and oil as well. The last day of Pongal is called Kanum Pongal. The word Kanum means to visit. This is a day for coming together with family and friends. It is a day of lot of socialization and lots of fun. Well, there's Pongal for you in a nutshell. If you would like to learn more about this celebration and like to explore some related activities, look in the description below. Thank you for joining us here at Culture Bites, and we'll see you all next time.